WhatsApp app, dual messenger for WhatsApp. So dual messenger, parallel space, password protect, speech. So basically, if you need to use more than a phone to reply to messages, always switch accounts with only one phone, making messages replies untimely. This app can help you a lot. You can use this app to log into multiple accounts on one device at the same time, or log into the same account on multiple devices. Just scan the QR code and you can quickly and easily to manage multiple accounts, so yeah, that your work and personal life don't interfere with each other. So that's like, yeah, dual messenger for WhatsApp. It's one of the most popular apps for this use case. Yeah, just open it up, and then from here you can allow notifications. Of course, there will be many ads, and this app is a lot of ads. And so yeah, here you have this. It's free, but if you want to upgrade, you can just upgrade. And then what you need to do, you need to basically scan automatically, and then this way you can add your account. So yeah, basically that's the idea here. Yeah, I would really be careful with this app. Maybe some of these apps are not that safe actually to use. So yeah, that's what it is. So at least you can just try the QR code and scan it from here and add your WhatsApp account from here.